Get a coach right now. Get a coach right now. I've seen enough. 120 minutes of crap football. Absolutely dreadful. Who's responsible for making the substitutions? Who's responsible? Tell me. What are we doing here? 75 minutes, the fans have to shout again before you can make substitutions. Only 112 remaining now. We're not winning the league. And I see men trying to bring in Bruce Vuma for the penalty shootout. Nigga, what are you doing? What's man trying to do? Man, I've seen Bruce Vuma against the Motsepe Foundation Championship side going opposite direction of all penalties. What are we doing? Big up to Ntwari for standing up for himself and saying, I'm not going out. Yes, he did his job. He saved one, and Morris, crap penalty. Dylan Solomon's crap penalty. Cheating was very, very terrible. That lineman is standing there with his flag.